Hi, hello. In this video, we are going to discuss about the presumptive signs of pregnancy in detail. The definition, right? Where these changes felt by the woman, these signs and symptoms are not the exact proof of pregnancy, but these signs and symptoms may be caused due to number of different clinical conditions. And the percentage or the probability of being pregnant is around 25%. Signs, and these are 9 listed signs and symptoms that have been encountered by a pregnant woman, and she claims that she is being pregnant, right? And here these conditions not necessarily been associated with pregnancy. There may be chances where she may be suffering from some other disease condition may mimic like she is being pregnant. And first and foremost is amenorrhea, second changes in breast, third morning sickness, fourth quickening, fifth pigmentation of skins, sixth changes in vagina, seven urinary disturbances, eight fatigue, nine sympathetic disturbances. First and foremost is amenorrhea, and here where it been one of the earliest and one of the most important symptom of pregnancy, and it suggests a pregnancy has occurred, but not necessarily she being pregnant. There could be chances where a female can present with amenorrhea in other different circumstances. First and foremost, it being stress or an attention or an fear, or there been a strong desire for being pregnant, and most commonly occurs in newly married. Secondly, excessive exercises or any sort of hormonal imbalance or any other endocrine conditions she been suffering, where she can present with the features of amenorrhea. Any changes in breast, and here these signs are most predominantly noted in primigravidas than the multigravidas, and here a sense of tense or sense of tingling sensation is being felt, and by the time period it is by 6th to 8th week of pregnancy, and after second month breast begin to increase in size and become nodular, and here the reason being hypertrophy of mammillary alveoles, and the nipples become pigmented, and around the nipples the sebaceous gland secretions and sebaceous gland being enlarged and to form a small, and it forms like a small rounded dark colored tubercles are being seen, and especially these findings are characteristically seen or characteristically prominent in primigravidas. Multigravidas also show, but those of in a lesser changes being noted in multiparas. Coming to the word morning sickness, the third sign of presumptive signs is morning sickness. Again, these are classically noted in primigravidas, and it is usually appears at the end of first month of pregnancy, and here the reason being due to increased level of HCG levels, and again it is an unreliable sign of pregnancy since it can occur in other conditions like GIT disorder, or there been features of gastritis or any other infections where features of morning sickness can be seen. And here excessive vomiting and repeated vomitings can be even fatal where there been a loss of electrolytes and other, and here a medical attention is necessary when there been excessive vomiting, and the medication again it is necessary to control the features of excessive morning sickness. The fourth presumptive sign is quickening, and here the pregnant woman can feel slight fluttering movements in her abdomen around 16th to 20th week, and here in primigravidas it is by even it can be prolonged even by the time period of 18th or 19th week, but in multigravida it can be even earlier, it can be even 15th or 14th week of pregnancy, and if in case if it been a primigravida where it will be around 17th week of pregnancy, where the intensity gradually increases as the time period progresses. And again, it is the fifth presumptive signs of pregnancy. And here, the vulva, abdomen, axilla become darker due to deposition of pigment. And here, a dark line that extends from pubis to beyond the umbilicus, and it is known as linea nigra, and classically seen around 20th week of pregnancy. Changes in vagina, and here it is known as Chadwick sign, where the mucous membrane of the vagina changes from pink color to violet and violet to blue color, and here the reason being it is due to the venous obstruction. And as the time period progresses, the tissue becomes soft and secretion of the mucus is being increased, and even pulsations can be felt at even an earlier period. Pink to violet, violet to blue color, reason being venous obstruction. Urinary disturbances, and here the urinary disturbances is due to the enlargement of the uterus, where it compresses the bladder and it results in frequent micturition. And here the symptoms gradually disappears after few months, and here the reason being where uterus, the pelvic organ, become an abdomen organ, or otherwise the uterus rises into abdomen, where the symptoms gradually decreases. Enlarging uterus compresses the bladder, and where the capacity of the bladder even being decreased, or due to the compression effect, where a pregnant woman frequently micturate. Fatigue, right? And here the pregnant woman feel constantly being tired in early weeks of pregnancy, and the reason being due to a hormonal imbalance. And here this is not a classical sign seen exactly in pregnancy, but even it can occur where a female being suffering from any chronic state of infections, or a feature when there have been associated features of anemia or an emotional stress, where a female can go to a phase of fatigue. And here it is a 8th sign of presumptive sign. Can result in excessive salivation, increased appetite, and irritable temper can also be the other features. And again, these features can even occur in other endocrine conditions. Thank you so much for your patient listening. If there have been any doubt, query regarding the content of the video, kindly address those issues in comment section below, or otherwise through the social media link provided in description section. Thank you.